Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Abbas bin Muhammad Ismail. Number matric CE200132. Today I will explain more in detail about Lab 2. For our question 7.1.1, this is the diagram that we need to do in ISP. So I have done it, and this is my question for 7.1.1. And then as you can see here, this is our truth table. 0 0 we get 1, and 0 1 is we got 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0. Why this is become like this? Because this is LD not and not, so it's gonna reverse the answer. So usually when we meet the basic LD and this is N, 0 0 will become 0, but in this case it's gonna be reversed. So if we put 0 input here, it's gonna be 1, the same as here too. If we put the 0 input here, this part gonna be 1, and then thus 0 0 is gonna be 1. Okay, we can go to show the simulation. As you can see here, 0 0 is gonna be 1. If we can check it here, we go here, we put it off, so it becomes 0. Thus the LDN LD not is gonna be on, same as here. So the result is gonna be on. If we put the input here's 1, the current not gonna flow from x0, so the output is gonna be 0. It's gonna be the same as if we change x1 to 1. If we put x1 1 input, the output is gonna be still 0. Same with if we put the double input is 1, the output is gonna be 1. That's for 7.1.1. For 7.1.2, we're gonna scroll here. Alright, this is for 7.1.2, and as you can see here, this is our diagram that we need to do. Below here, our truth table. For the network one, this is more direct, so 0 0 is gonna be 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 is gonna be 0, 1 1 gonna be 1. So this part is 0 0 is gonna be 0. Alright, and for the network 2, if we make it 1 0 1, the output is gonna be the only output that gonna light up, because if we put 1 over 0 over here, x at and not, the output is gonna be reversed. So as you can see here, the x4 is in input 1 input 0, so the output we imagine the x4 output is gonna be 1. Alright, I will explain it further in our ISP. Let's go to the ISP first, and we online it first. Alright, we transfer it. Alright, okay, and then we run it. As you can see here, if we on both of these network, the output is gonna be on at network 1. If either or both of them is 0, the output is not gonna have the output is not gonna turn on. As you can see here, so output's not gonna turn on. And same as here. So if we close it both, the output's not gonna turn on. So that's for network 1. For network 2, we can refer to our diagram. So 0, 0, 0 is gonna be 0. You can check 0, 0, 0. You can see here 0, 0, 0. So output is gonna be 0 or not, or deactivate. So or my bad. So we check the second line 0, 0, 1. So we check the 0, 0, 1. Okay, my bad. Okay, still not gonna have output, or the output not activate because the current not gonna through X3. So there's no current will go through X4 and X5. So thus Y1 is not gonna have current through it. So no output there. So we check the truth table. So 0, 1, 1 is basically the same, but X4 is not gonna have output this time because we force it 1. So my bad. So no output gonna through X4 no X3 because both of them is 0, so no output gonna through it, and then output's not gonna have not gonna be active. So then we go to 1, 0, 1. As you can see just now, it's gonna have output here. Okay, here. So as you can see, X3 is gonna have current, X4 is gonna have current because this is an AND NOT. So current gonna through it. So and then X5 is gonna have current through because we declare it as 1, and thus our output gonna have current. And then we go to our last line 1, 1, 1, and the output is gonna be 0. As you can see here, our X4 is not gonna have current if we put 1, 1, 1. So the output is not gonna have current because our X4 is deactivate because we declare as 1. So the final output for AND NOT gonna be 0 because it is in condition NOT. It will gonna be reversed. So that's all for 7.1.1 and 7.1.2 for me. I'm gonna give to my teammate Akmal to continue about 7.1.3 and 7.1.4.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Rahman bin Osman. My metric number is CE190160. I will do a simulation for 7.13 and 7.14. So we go through for the 7.13 first. This is the circuit for network 1 and the circuit for network 2, just like the lab sheet. So we do a simulation by looking at our truth table. This is our truth table. For the first row, just open the just on the X5, only for X5. So the output will get 0. So we try run it. Y0 and Y1 doesn't on, so the first row is true. So for the second row, just when X1, X2 and Y0 and just X1 and X2 only. So we try with of this first, and we try on the x1 and x2. So the output will get the y0 and y1 is on. So the second row is true. Y0 1, y1 is 1. So we go for the fifth row, where the x1 is on, x3 on, and x5 on. So what we get is the output will be on. So we go first, y1 x1 is on, x2 we off this first, x3 is on, and x5 is on. So the truth table is 1. The truth table is 1 1 1. So the fifth row for the truth table is true. So we go through for the truth table network 2. X6 and x7 for the first row is off, and y2 is 0. So yeah, just same with the truth table. We try for the second row, x6 0 and x7 1. So we on the x7 and the y2 is on. So the truth table is true. So we go through for the 7.14. This is the circuit for 7.14. And we run it. We transfer it first. So we try run it. Zero 0. So we try simulate it. By looking the truth table for 7.14, we just go through for just only two row. So we go through for the first row, where x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7 is 0, and x0 is 1. So x0 is 1, So we pause it off, back on. This off. And the output is 0, y0 is not on, so the output is 0. So the first row is true, and we go through for the third row where x1, x3, x4 and x0 is on. So x4, x0 1, x4 1, x3 1, x1 1. So x1, x3, x4. So we force it on for x1, for x3 is on, for x1 is on. So the output is on. So the third row, the output is 1. So that's all for me for 7.13 and 7.14. My name is Muhammad Rahman. Thank you.